Hi, I'm Matthew Brown. I'm a developer at EuroForce, and here I will present our manufacturing line break-fix proof of concept. Let's jump into the demonstration. Max Manufacturer at App One Manufacturing is concerned that when one of his extruders breaks down, he won't be able to fulfill his customer contracts. The agent grabs the customer information in Salesforce, reaches through MuleSoft to retrieve the list of equipment assigned to Max, and provides the list of suggestions here. Max recognizes the serial number for this piece of equipment, provides the information to the agent, and the agent now reaches through SharePoint again to grab a do-it-yourself technical document. When Max describes the problem to the agent will find the corresponding section in the do-it-yourself technical document and provide a solution to Max. This is something Max can't handle on his own, so he'll open up a case and schedule a technician to come out through a work order. The agent will summarize information here from the chat, write it to the case, and link together the equipment, case, and work order, assigning them all to the right man for the job. At this point, Max is happy that he'll have someone on site soon to solve his problem for him. Terry Technician at Acme Manufacturing is on the case and wants to resolve the work order quickly and get the extruder back in working order. He opens up the work order, grabs the number, and asks the agent what he needs to pack along to solve this problem. At this time, the agent summarizes information from the case, analyzes a document from SharePoint, and will provide a grounded suggestion to Terry. With this, Terry is ready to go from the shop on site and solve the problem for Max. All of it accomplished in one trip rather than having it turn into a prolonged problem. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to hearing from you.